His stories are like nets in which you catch for a moment something ineffable, something almost incommunicable. But he has communicated it.
In Greek, there are 4 words for love.
C.S. Lewis was just a master of language. He knew how to point beyond words. The great thing about Lewis was that he was creative and imaginative, as well as being highly intellectual and analytical. He's so skillful at expressing the inexpressible. What you'll get in this course is an insight into how Lewis understood Christianity and wrote about it, both in his non-fiction and his fiction. He knows what it is like to have been an atheist, been an unbeliever, been a skeptic, and he knows what it's like to have come to faith. Lewis had thought his way into all corners of the Christian faith. Pain, joy, love, miracles, prayer, heaven, hell. And we're going to cover the whole gamut of experience. That's the great thing about Lewis's presentation of the faith. He makes it live, he makes it sing, he makes it move, he gives it colour. That, I think, is one of the things that people so love about Lewis. They feel they're not just reading books, they're reading life, and life with a capital L.
C.S. Lewis explained to the world in beautiful English, in common sense language, why Christianity is both good and plausible.
When you come to Lewis's writings, it's like you've touched a live wire. You've suddenly got an electric shock, because here's someone who really believes it and manages to communicate how much it means to him. I'm Michael Ward. This is C.S. Lewis on Christianity. Let's begin.